something completely random. I've never done this before, but I saw an open house on Eventbrite and I wanted to go and check it out. Like, obviously I'm not in the market for that, or it's way outside of my tax bracket, but I'm like, I just want to see what's out there. And also, you shouldn't put limits on yourself, so I'm just gonna see and look and see what's possible. So if you guys would like to see, I don't know if I'll do like a separate video showing the place or how I will do it, or I'll put a little snippets, but we'll see. So yeah, come on, let's go. Walking in to see what this open house has to offer. Okay.
Now, I'm gonna close this door.
Okay, so
one room here, one here, and it has the bathroom in the middle. You can jump.
Oh, like oh, this is familiar. Okay. Like the kids' room, and I said the concept is familiar. Yeah.
So they share the bathroom.
Okay. So is it that they're moving, or they're just selling the property?
Yeah, and it's being used as a podcast recording room because it's soundproof.
Oh.
That's the garage / gym.
Okay. A stream or you said podcast?
Podcast, yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Areas of the house.
Okay.
Roof is new, intact windows.
I'm sitting under the YouTube track. So when I start posting and when I do YouTube, just remember I was saying under the flag. Yes. All right, y'all. That's it.
Okay. Office barbershop space. Wow. Views for days. Nice. The issue is, aren't there alligators in the lake?
No.
No?
I've been living here for 12 years.
So, okay.
You can find them around.
Okay.
But in this community, we haven't ever had any issues with that.
Okay. It's the kids.
Exactly.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
you can put it there. He just decided just to leave it as this.
Okay. Okay, this is really nice. Well, 2.3 buyers as yet.
As of now, yes.
Okay.
Potentially, yes. Have 1 or 2 buyers.
Yeah. Eh?